As fresh COVID cases are picking up pace across India, this Money9 Jhatpat is here to alert you on what's considered as a fix for this virus. Yes, we're talking about vaccines. Owing to low shelf life and dip in demand, hundreds of millions of COVID-19 vaccines in India will expire over the next 3 or 4 months. Companies like Bharat Biotech are working proactively with private hospitals to reduce the quantum of expired vaccines and liquidate their stocks. Now, this is just one company that we're talking about, which hasn't even disclosed the volume of its stocks that is nearing expiry. So imagine what about the other vaccine manufacturing companies that are facing a similar scenario. Covishield, the AstraZeneca vaccine manufactured by Serum Institute of India, comprised the largest chunk of COVID-19 vaccines administered in the country. But they too are sitting with 200 million doses that were produced in December 2021 and are set to expire this September. The company is likely to destroy these vaccines if there are no orders. Speaking at World Economic Forum in Davos last month, the company's CEO Adar Poonawalla has also said that expired doses could amount to a loss of rupees 2,000 crore to 3,000 crore. Currently, the company has stopped further production from December as they have already created a stockpile of 250 million finished doses. Although Serum Institute of India has not yet approached the Union Ministry of Health to take these doses for free and use them in national immunization program. Apart from companies, many states too have significant amount of doses nearing expiry which are lying with them. Maharashtra has around 3.4 million Covishield doses that are set to expire in August and over 9,500 Covaxin doses to expire this month. Centre, however, has written to states in March asking them to take up stocks lying with private hospitals that are nearing expiry. Maharashtra's immunization officer has also said that the state is ready to use such stock for public immunization, an approach that most states and vaccine producing companies should adopt to control vaccine wastage. Not just that, public immunization will also lead to robust vaccination as people opt for free government vaccines over paying at private vaccine centres. WHO has noted last year that no vaccine past its expiry date should be administered. In March, there were reports from Kolkata where a diagnostic centre cum polyclinic had administered expired COVID vaccine doses to an elderly couple. But WHO has also pointed out that expiry dates do not affect the safety of the vaccine, but they are related to the amount of protection the vaccine can offer. Shelf life of vaccine is nothing but its effectiveness, and it is used to establish the expiry date of each batch of vaccines. Indian vaccines like Covaxin has a shelf life of 12 months, while Covishield, the vaccine that accounted for nearly 80% of India's vaccination, has a shelf life of 9 months. According to global health analytics Airfinity, globally too, the wastage has been of 241 million COVID vaccines in G7 countries just last year. How will these expired vaccines be disposed of or burnt? Now that is a separate debate altogether. But if it is not planned in advance, the cost of vaccine destruction alone may be heavy. For more such updates, keep watching Money9 and don't forget to subscribe to us on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram.